13 table manners for kids. First, wash your hands before you come to the table. It's super important to wash your hands with soap and water. This helps us to get rid of any germs or dirt so we can keep ourselves healthy. Second, place your napkin on your lap. It's there to catch any crumbs or spills, and if we need to wipe our mouths, we can use it gently. Third, don't eat right away. Wait for the elder one to start and then you can join them. We have to wait until everyone has their food before we start eating. 4. Stay on your seat and don't slouch. When we sit down to eat, we should sit up straight in our chairs with our feet on the floor. This helps us feel comfortable and ready to enjoy our meal. 5th, keep elbows off the table. 6th, don't talk with your mouth full of food. First of all, finish your bite and after that you can talk. 7. Chew with your mouth closed. When we eat, let's keep our mouths closed like secret treasure chest. That way we won't make loud noises and everyone can enjoy their meal in peace. 8. No playing with the food. Mealtime is for eating, not playing. Let's focus on our delicious food and save the playing for later. 9. Clear your plates and finish your meal. When you are done eating, you should help clean up by putting your plates in the sink. You should finish your plate without leaving any leftover. 10. Use magic words when you get served or you need anything more. Thank you. Please give me some more food. 11. Take small bites. Take small bites of your food like little nibbles from a cookie. It's easier to chew and helps us savor all the yummy flavors. 12. Don't complain about the food and be grateful for what you got. 13. Help your mother in setting the table and after finishing your food, put your dishes in the sink. This is super important to help clean up by putting our plates in the sink or dishwasher. It's like being a superhero and saving the day.